Welcome to my another session on Sun in 10th house. So what happens when Sun is placed in the 10th house? But before that we need to understand what 10th house is. 10th house is a house of name and fame. 10th house is a house wherein you get recognition from others. It's a house of a father when child is dependent on him. It's a house of authority. It's a house of employer. It's a house of government. So this is a house which will give you a recognition and fame in your life. So when Sun is placed here, the person will always have an inclination to gain a certain image. He will always thrive and push harder to get recognition in life, and he will do all the steps possible to have a name and fame and dignity in his life. This is an ideal position for a person who works in a top management, because he will keep on thriving and keep on pushing himself day in day out to get and to reach to a recognized place or position in his life. This placement is the placement of person who will be very happy when he is within the society. If society is recognizing his work, he will really be happy. They cannot live without with being secluded. They cannot live all alone. They need society. They need people around. So they always remain part of family. They always remain part of society. And what happens when numerology comes with it? When number 1 is there in your date of birth. Remember, the way we count date of birth is we do not add century. If the person is born on 19th or 20th of century, then during prediction or during recognizing what number he possesses, we do not need to add the century to it. So if a person has number 1 anywhere in their date of birth, then this quality of getting famous or getting recognition from people, this desire will be very high into that person. And moreover, when 1 is there, then this recognition part will be huge. It's certain, it's very much sure that this person will get recognition when number 1 is there in the date of birth. So this is how we need to see it. Now let's see what nakshatra and upanakshatra the Sun should have, so that we will be sure that it is going to give the positive result to a person or the negative result by Sun, nakshatra, the star lord and the sublord, that is upanakshatra. It should be having placement of 6th house and 11th house. It should be giving the result of 6th house and 11th house. Results should be seen by the Bhav Chalit chart. And the Upanakshatra result should also be 6, 11 or other combination is of the 10th house and the 11th house. Then recognition is sure to happen in that life. It should not have any bad houses like 8th house or the 12th house or the house which do not give much. These are the house which will not help him to get recognized, or he will have ill name fame, like he would be defamed in the society, in the community, if this person will have the malefic houses result like 6, 8, 12 and without 6th, 11 and 10th or 11th houses result, then he will have ill fame in his life. Okay, so guys, this was my take on Sun in the 10th house. Kindly call me, or you may subscribe to my channel, and if you want to take a prediction, then the numbers and the way you can reach me is already displayed below. So thank you guys, have a nice day, bye bye.
Why can't I hold you? Why can't I kiss you all day?